Kwa dhimbele nyakora magajuang mane en governor mar bengi maduong' e pacho ka Ndung'u no keretago maliete witije ndalo manoti bengi no to kod kabende oromo taw migawo mar omenda manogwele gi jatend piny Kenya William Ruto.
Ndung'u ne orado kod penjo matek wi lwar mar bengi mar Imperial higa mar 2015 bang' lalo omenda maromo siling bilion 34 e yor kuo.
And you also face abuse of office charges involving irregular award of a 1.2 billion shilling security tender while serving as central bank governor in 2014. Maybe you could tell us from this affidavits the status of those two issues?
Because it would appear that during a time in CBK, every single mega project that you undertook was dogged by matters of corruption.
There is the issue of the collapsed Imperial Bank, Professor. The shareholders revealed in court filings that your spouse, Nancy Ndung'u, exhorted the then managing director of the bank, the late Abdul Malik Jan Mohammed. The bank paid for a holiday in a luxurious hotel in Thailand. When these things came to light, you were in a hurry to liquidate the bank and cover up your role. That's the accusation they're saying in court. What's your response to that?
And the whole issue, then the whole issue of Imperial Bank and my wife going to Thailand, this is a paid service. He was an agent of that company that was giving those the services, and it was.
Did you hear what he asked?
Yes, I paid for that holiday for my wife.
Okay.
Yes, the bank collapsed in 2017, and I was not governor then, and I was even away from the country. I was working from outside the country, so it did not collapse in when I was a governor. Thank you, Chairman. We want to stop at the first point of just mentioning what it is. We don't want to go further and see what has happened. The case, for example, for the procurement, I fought it through the courts to the Court of Appeal, and there was a judgment.